Hello everyone, this is Dharmendra Sharma. Today we will continue with our second game hockey. In my previous video, you must have seen and learnt about history of the game, rule and regulation, tips to remember, hockey equipment carried by the referee, hockey equipment weighed by the goalkeeper and hockey player. Today we will see the terminology. The first is free hit. It is a hit performed by a player without interruption before 5 yard. It is given to opponent team when some foul or violation has been committed outside their own shooting circle. When defending player commit any mistake, any violation, in that case, free hit awarded to the opponent. When attacker is going to hit the ball and defender must keep distance about 5 yard. Next we have obstruction. It is a hindrance to opponent against the rule when a player intentionally physically interfering with their sticks or body to the opponent, that is violation. Player cannot do this. Back stick. The basically stick has two part, one is front part and one is back part. Front side we can use for dribbling, hitting, passing. When the player found to use back side of the stick, that is violation, that is foul in the hockey. Center pass, it is termed as back pass. It is a push or hit in any direction behind the center line from the center of the field while all the players stay in their own half of the field. It is used for starting the game in the beginning or after the goal scoring. Means when is games about to start, center pass game starts, and after goal the game also restart from the center. Carried, this is also violation. Rolling substitutions, this I dictate you earlier also, without asking to the referee player can change except during penalty corner. Manufacturer fault, when the player is found to use out of weight or out of length hockey, then that is called manufacturing fault. Means there is a specified weight or length of the hockey, player cannot use out of it. Sideline hit, astroturf. Astroturf is basically artificial made surface. It looks like a grass. All the international matches take place in astroturf only. Dribbling fundamental skill, stick, flag post, bully, tapping, advantage, shin guard, full back, team, field player, goalkeeper, attack, defense, backline, goal line, sidelines. All the terminologies are clear and very easy to understand. If you feel any difficulty, I will dictate you whenever you have Sunday class. Then next we have the two pictures. The one is blue picture, another one is green one. In blue picture, what is happening? It is a procedure when the penalty corner take place. You see, the one attacking player stand on the end line and he tries to give the pass where the other attackers stand outside the D. One of them stop, another one try to hit, convert into goal. This is a procedure of penalty corner. Next we have penalty stroke. In this case, what happened? When defender commit any serious foul, means deliberately hitting, deliberately pushing. This type of serious foul happen inside the D, then referee refers penalty stroke to the opponent. Another we have terminologies like a field goal. Field goal, it is a goal scored by dribbling or passing within the shooting circle in a strategic move by the attacking player. Sudden death, this also when score is tie, then sudden death take place. The 5-5 penalties alternatively player takes, and if again still tie, then 1-1 sudden death is followed to break the tie to decide the winning team. Misconduct, dangerous play, 16-yard hit, caution, warning card. Here the three types of warning card mentioned here. One is green, one is yellow, and one is red card. Green card indicates the verbal warning to the player. Yellow card indicates temporary suspension, maybe 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Player will be outside from the game. In red card, in this case, the player commit any unsportsmanlike foul, referee shown red card, it means the permanent suspension from the game. Equipment of the player, duties of captain, captain's identity, duties of referee, then equipment carried by the referee, whistle, watch or stopwatch, small diary and pen, green, yellow and red card. Next we have signals given by the umpire. Sometimes one or two questions comes, draw the signals by the umpire. Here you can learn 5 or 6 signals and try to make a diagram also, so that it become easy to draw when question comes in the board exam. Next we have fundamental skills of the hockey. Holding the stick, the basic fundamental, how to hold the stick, how to grip the stick, then dribble, moving the ball with the hockey stick, that is called dribbling, then push, drive hit, sweep. Here the sweep and sweeper, see the basically the role of the sweeper, he stand at the back, means for the defense near the goal post. Whenever ball comes to that side, the sweeper player clear the ball, means he doesn't allow to opponent to score a goal. Then flick, scoop, doze, corner push, tapping, these all are fundamental skills. Next we have important tournaments and personalities and venue. This we will continue in my next video. Till the time, take care. Thank you very much.